I'm going to show you how you can add this beautiful Instagram section to your Shopify theme. This is one example. Here's another example. Here's another example of a coffee shop. Looks great on desktop, also looks fantastic on mobile. And you can swipe through each one of the posts. And these posts are actually curated, so it doesn't pull from your live theme, but you get to choose which posts you want to share. The way that the section is set up is that there's an outer container called Instagram, and in that outer section container here, you can choose your different themes. So you can choose Horizon or Dawn, or if you're a developer, you can even add in your own custom class or a fixed width if you just want an easy option to make the width, look somewhat decent here. So if we choose fixed, we can make it 1440. I'm just going to put it to Horizon theme here. Then in that section, we have a layout, which is a block, and we have, a title, and we have some slider settings that we could enable, and we could see how many slides we're displaying on desktop, but we could also even make this 3 if we wanted, or we can make it 2 if we want it really big, or we can make it 2.2 if we want it to slide on desktop. But you can see here that there's pretty easy to edit the different column widths. Also, you can swap out your arrow SVG. Now, another thing we could do is in each one of the groups, you'll want to drop in your images that you post on Instagram, and then you can link directly to your Instagram page, or you can link to the post that your Instagram page belongs to. All you have to do is grab the URL when you open up Instagram on your desktop computer. Lastly, here is we have this icon, and we can select our own custom image, or you could just use my default Instagram icon image here. If you want to swap out that, you can just hit customize here and then swap out the Instagram icon with your own SVG over here. Okay, awesome. Now you may be wondering, how does this section actually get in your theme? It's through this app called Flexi. And just for a little bit of context, I'm a professional developer, and this is an app that I maintain and I look after. I use it on tons of different Shopify Plus stores, and it saves me tons of time when I am adding in sections. I've decided to make my sections public to everyone. Typically, I would charge $1,000 to build custom sections, but you can install the app for just $12 per month, and it feels like having a developer in your back pocket. With that being said, once the app is added to your store, you can go over into the app, and then you'll want to go into the slider sections tab over here. And then within that tab, you'll just need to search for the section called Instagram, which is the one I demoed. And you can add either Instagram 1, 2, or 3. All you have to do is select your theme and then hit add section. Then after that, hop into your theme on any template, hit plus, and then search Instagram. And then you can add in any one of these sections into your theme. And it looks like so out of the box. All you have to do is drag and drop in an image, which only takes a few seconds. And as you can see, this is already starting to shape up here. If you like this video and if you are interested in customizing your Shopify theme, I highly recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers.